Okay, the next prompt is match, and I'm going to work with tags the same way as Meg has worked. I have these cloth tags that I saved, and as they are navy blue, I think it will be interesting to work with them. So I need 4 tags because I have 3 pockets on the journal and plus this extra one. So my idea is to this one is different. So I'm trying to cover this detail like creating clusters with paper and maybe fabrics, and add some nature images. I'm thinking to explore some bugs maybe, like bees, dragonflies and things like that. So let me just first test what I have here of fabric. Maybe I need to start first with paper. I can use 2 as 2 in the blue and 2 white maybe. I'm gonna check if I still have some of these lace in white. Not sure. And then let's check which bugs image I have. Okay, maybe this one. But I think I can start to glue down everything. Let's see. Okay, everything is gluing down, but I think that these tags, they need some sort of shimmering, glimmering, something like that. So I will first, if I still have, yes I have, I will outline all the bugs image with metallic pen just to highlight them. I should have done this before gluing the images here, but I didn't thought about that before, so I will manage to do it now. Okay, now the bugs are more interesting, so maybe they need a little bit of splatters, metallic one. I guess they look much better in just a dry. I don't know. I'm thinking to add some numbers or words to this, like maybe my lucky number, this symbol, my initial. Try to find something that makes sense to add on. Oh, arroba. That would be nice. I have 4, right? Yeah. So I guess I'm good to go. So I will use the 7 with the ladybug. Yay. And my initial, I think would be interesting with the moth. Okay. The arroba can go with the dragonfly. And the opposite with the bee. Let me show you them up close. You see? Now I have to put something here that was what I was looking for, or I'm still thinking if it would better to combine these two or combine these two. Maybe the tree. That will be cute to let me do all the other ones. Oh, there is one that I cannot do that. Maybe the moth will go like that, right? Ah, that's great. Okay, match is done. So now I have to work with thread, and I have no idea what to do with this thread. Maybe something like a paper like that, it can be threaded. I don't know. I'm thinking that maybe I could do like a leaf again, with the idea that it's a branch of leaf that stretches throughout the journal. Maybe I think this would be the easiest approach, and I think I will do that on this side, like, yeah. Maybe this leaf will stretch to this side also. What do you think? I think we can do that. And it even goes here and then goes up. So to finalize, like reflect, maybe the easiest way would be like it reflects light, it shines. So I will add some splatters of metallic watercolor. Okay, everything is dry, but I'm still, well, and I went through all the prompts, but I'm still feeling that the journal is not red. I need to add my weaver piece. Maybe I will add it here, or maybe as a cover, as I said, not sure. Maybe here, we'll see. But what I'm thinking to do is to fill the pages with these white vintage flower illustrations, like create some collages, and I will do that here, so you can see what I will create. I will stop talking and I will just let you watch me fill the pages of this journal. So yeah.